me my theme music.
Got the floor.
Do I have the floor? Do I?
Yes,
Do
you
I?
do.
You have the floor.
Thank you very much.
What a fool.
I can't speak without having someone overtalk me, point of order, and also make mimicky things like that. I mean, is that an order, Mr. President?
We have got to help the city of Flint. We have got to move the city forward. We have got to vote yes on this.
Miss Herkenroder, you tried to put words in my mouth like I said you was a racist. You got to stop doing that. You got to stop doing that. Miss Worthy, are you okay? Why are you asking me am I okay if you okay?
I mean, you're just sitting in your chair.
And you be eating food like we at McDonald's. You be eating food. This say you can't.
Mr.
All
President,
decisions.
why is he still talking?
Because I got
Why
a
is
mouth.
he still
Why aren't
talking?
you still talking?
Wait a minute.